Hey, it's me, Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today we are going to be opening my big box from Ulta where everything inside the box is free. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Okay guys, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, thanks for coming by. I'm Kara. My channel is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, and what we do here is talk about affordable beauty, sometimes sale, sometimes sneak peeks of BoxyCharm, Ipsy, anything that has to do with beauty on a budget, makeup, skincare. And today I'm going to be unboxing this giant box of free stuff from Ulta. I'm going to tell you exactly how I got it. So let's just get down to brass tacks. I got it with the Ulta MasterCard. To the MasterCard, I decided to get this maybe in January. I acquired 2,000 points by making purchases on this card. And because it's a MasterCard, I used it everywhere. I charged my cell phone bill, I charged my Ipsy boxes, my BoxyCharm boxes, I mean just about everything. That camera equipment that I'm shooting with right now is on the Ulta bill somewhere in this little stack. So it's nice to know that when you have to make a big purchase, whether it's, you know, a set of 4 tires for your car or a camera, that you can make points on it. You can get Ulta Points. And I'm going to tell you the best way to use those points, because there is a little strategy to get the most for your money for the points. Okay, so this is going to be a good box because a week or two ago I went onto the Ulta website and I found that there were a few palettes on sale. 2 were Juvia's Place, 1 was Morphe, and there was also a 20% off coupon that was active at the time. I found out, I think like on a Thursday morning, I checked my email and Ulta sent me an email that said today's the last day of your 20% off coupon, and I didn't have any idea what they were talking about. So I did share that on my Instagram, and I did a quick video on that. I'll link that up here. So I wanted to share that news with you guys that there was a palette sale going on and a 20% off coupon. And it turned out that the 20% off coupon did work on those Juvia's Place palettes. So let's take a look at what we have. So to just stay in touch with me and to, you know, keep up on the sales, you can check out my Instagram. It is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget XO. And that is where I'm able to really quickly post information about sales that are going on right now. So I may not always be able to just, you know, throw a video out there really quickly of something awesome like this. Poreless, it goes on sale and you can use a huge coupon on it, but you can definitely see it at my Instagram. So, but in this case I was able to do a video on it. Okay, well I got these in my hands, so let's talk about these. This is Juvia's Place. I have my list of my order, so I'm going to refer to that. This is the Masquerade Mini, and this will be my first Juvia's Place palette. I do not have any Juvia's. And I bought this because I think I really needed to add some color into my eyeshadow collection, my palette collection. I have a lot of neutrals, a lot of safe stuff, and who knows, maybe it was that BoxyCharm Pur Festival palette, which I'm wearing today. Maybe that Pur Festival palette pushed me out of my comfort zone a little. But whoa, so nice. So we have blues and greens, purples, pinks down here, coppery, we have shimmers, we have mattes, and at the bottom you have a coppery foil color. And wow, this is so much prettier in person than I expected it was going to be. Okay, the next one is a more neutral palette, and God, I'm gonna have so much fun playing with these palettes. these Juvias. I always thought that they were a little too bold for me, but I think I'm liking it already. Okay, Freak palette, come on out. This is the Warrior by Juvia's Place. Wow, okay, so we have 9 shadows here. And as you can see that the pan size is much larger than the Masquerade Mini. The Masquerade Mini has smaller pan sizes, but the Masquerade Mini also has 16 shades. Okay, and this Juvia's Place, the Masquerade Mini, the price of this was $15. Okay, on to the Warrior. This one was $12. And of course, 20% came off that. Definitely think I'm gonna get good use out of this one. Okay, the next palette. We're gonna just start with the palettes since that's the best part. Okay, the next palette is a 35 shade palette by Morphe. And this one was on sale for $15. I'll put the regular price below. I think it was $24, but this was on sale for $15 and the coupon did not apply to this one. Here we go. This is the 35 OM, which is the Nature Glow, and it is all mattes. So let's take a look at this. Since it was such a good deal, I decided to get a second exact one, the 35 OM. And I'm going to put this one away for a future giveaway. So I don't know when that giveaway is going to be, but that's going to be in it. Okay, next up is Earth Therapeutics. This is the Hydrogel Collagen Under Eye Patch. And this has 5 pairs of eye patches. So this cost $4.50. Obviously much more affordable than the very popular Wander Beauty Gold. What do they call that? Okay, next up we have lashes. We have Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Teddy, and these ones were $4.89. It says 3D volume lash, and wow, these are the most dramatic lashes that I'm going to have. Okay, the next thing that we have is Rapid Lash. This is an eyelash enhancing serum, and you're supposed to get luscious lashes in just 4 weeks. I did do research on this before I bought it, and there were good reviews that it did improve people's lashes. So I'm thinking about possibly doing a little experiment where I use this on one eye and let the other eye just be natural and see what the results are after 4 weeks. I think that could be fun. And let's just take a real close look at it. So yeah, so this is not like a mascara wand or anything. This is the stuff that you brush upon the lash line, usually at night. I think that Letitia do it once a day at night. I'm not quite sure. But this is along the lines of that. All right, how much did this cost? This cost $34.99 on sale. I will put the regular price down below. Oh boy. Oh, okay, this is for you know who upstairs. Nivea Men. This is a men's sensitive post-shave balm. So this costs $4.89. It's great for sensitive skin, and it smooths and improves skin's defense over time. It does not have alcohol. I think this is going to be a nice product. Nivea sensitive skin. I think this is going to be a nice product. The Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. This costs $4.99 at Ulta. You can also get it at Amazon for $4.99. I'll put the link for the Amazon in the description in case you're out of country and you can't get it at an Ulta. or you don't want to pay shipping for one tiny thing, this is great. I already have it. I'm wearing it right now, and I just bought this to give to a friend because I was telling her about this great cheap mascara. And I'm going to link my mascara battle review about this mascara. I'm going to link that right up here. Okay, next thing out of the box, we have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer. This is an old standby. It seems like everybody has this. A lot of people talk about it on YouTube. It is a great formula. It shears out so nicely. It doesn't get chunky or thick on your skin at all. Okay, next up I have a NYX This Is Everything Lip Scrub. This was $7. It has a very nice, just vanilla-like scent. It's really nice, actually. Next, I have 3 of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Formula had amazing staying power. So I'm just going to look at these shades. I just guessed at the shades when I was buying these. I'm not too sure about these shades, so I'm not going to open them and swatch them. I might just hold on to them and bring them into the store in Ulta and see if I'm able to swatch or see these up close, and then swap them out for 3 shades that I like. But these are a really good buy, and they were $5 each on sale, but I think the regular price is $6.50. So I like this product. I have had a swatch of this on my hand and gone into the shower, and it's lasted several passes of the washcloth with soap. So I would recommend this NYX matte lip color. Okay, the final item in the bag, and then I am going to tell you guys exactly how to get all those points so you can get a $125 credit. This is something that came, it is a bum bag. It is see-through, and it was just a free gift that came when you bought maybe $15 of NYX products. So it's a little bum bag. And then there is a pore filler primer. I have not used this before. And then also a NYX matte finish setting spray. And I have not used this before. So 2 more face products, and while everything was free, this was like really free. This was free for everybody. Okay, so let's talk about how I got all the points to get $125 of free stuff. You may be thinking that, oh well, you probably got 2,000 points at Ulta because you were going into Ulta and spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars multiple times over a really long time, and the answer is no. Now at Ulta, I haven't spent a lot of money inside the store. Most of my points came from using the Ulta MasterCard to pay for everything else that you pay for on a daily basis. Okay, so let's talk points. When you're in the Ulta store, you may have 1,000 points, and you may be asked by the cashier, oh, do you want to use those points today? The answer is always no. Always say no. There's a reason to this, okay? You can have about 1,800 points or so, and it's going to be worth, I don't know, $85, something like that. I'm going to put that right below what that would be. However, the magic number is 2,000. You want to hit the 2,000 point mark, because when you do, the 2,000 points are now worth $125. So that should be your strategy for saving your points. So that's how I got all this free stuff. I got the Ulta MasterCard. I charged just daily stuff on. I always paid off the balance because this does have like a 26.99 APR. So you really don't want to be carrying a balance on this card because it's going to be very expensive when it comes to the interest. And I earned all these points in about 4 months. Here's how I got a lot of points. When you first sign up, you get 200 points for signing up. Then you have the opportunity to spend $500 on the card outside of Ulta Beauty, so gas, dentist, doctor, whatever, Walmart, in the first 90 days, and you get 500 bonus points. And here it tells you 500 bonus points. That's worth $17.50 off at Ulta. Well, if we let it build up to 2,000 points, it's worth 125. That's good strategy. So this video was not sponsored. And if you do decide to get an Ulta credit card, do your own research, make sure it's the right decision for you. But keep in mind those tips that I gave you, which is to spend your points in bunches of 2,000, because the bunch of 2,000 is worth the 125. Now, if you save to 3,000, it's really not going to help you. It's those bunches of 2,000 that you want to use at one time. So here's the best part. Okay, so I did all of this buying, and at the end, what was the total amount that I paid? Let's see, all of my items together cost $140.25, and the retail on all of these items, had they not been on sale, would have been $207.45. Then I had the 20% off coupon that took off $13.65. So then they took off the rewards discount of $125. Shipping was free, tax 10 cents, and then the total I had to pay was $1.70. And two funny things happened after that. First, I earned 158 points on my Ulta card for making this purchase, even though it wasn't a purchase. So that was funny. And then the next day I got a message from EBates saying that I earned 4% cash back. And I thought I earned 4% cash back on the $1.70 that I paid, but I didn't. I earned 4% cash back through EBates on the total amount. So EBates gave me $5.05. So I got this box of makeup and $3.35 for free. So I'm going to link the EBates website page sign up thing in my description. It's very cool. It's very easy. All you have to do is remember to start at the EBates page. It's now called Rakuten, R-A-K-U-T-E-N, but it was EBates until they changed the name. All you have to do is start your shopping at EBates. In the search bar, you could put Ulta, Sephora, Walmart, Amazon. It will take you directly to that site, but there's a little cookie in there that's going to track what you spend. And whatever you spend in that session is going to be reported into EBates, and then EBates going to notify you either that day or the next day that you are getting money back. And EBates will then take that money and put it into your PayPal, so it's pretty easy. So I hope you like my video. I hope it wasn't too confusing. Remember, spend your points in 2,000 increments. Remember to use EBates. Get those Ulta points so you can get free makeup. Alright, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like, and I will see you guys really soon. Thanks.